Welcome back to my channel. Here's Angel. So today is beautiful day. I can see the sun outside. So today we wanna do another backdrop tutorial. And before we start doing our backdrop, I have something to show you. I hope you're gonna some people have idea about this. Let me bring my camera there so you can see. This is hot pot food warmer. Most people come from Africa. I think they have idea about what I'm talking about. This is the food pot. It keeps your food hot. So after cooking, you put them inside and you put it on the table. You don't have to put it to warm in the microwave after before eating. So this food, your food gonna stay hot for all day. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling something that I know. So people from Africa, they know that we grown up with this, putting our food on this hot pot for all day, because in Africa at that time we didn't have microwave, so we didn't use any microwave for our food. So for keep your food warm, our parents was using this kind of pot to keep your food warm for the all day. So today people keep saying, they said that the microwave is not that good. So if we wanna skip using microwave, so what can we do? Maybe we're gonna start buying this kind of pot. So after cooking, we can put our food on and then leave on the table all day. So then when the kids come, or husband, family member, when they come, at least they can find food warm, they can eat, they don't have to warm it. Yeah, so I am selling them. That's why I'm showing you. I have a few boxes left because I saw many people, they like them, so they just keep buying. So I still have, like, I don't know, 8 boxes. If you guys you like it, or you are interested in buying one, or giving someone or some of your friends gifts, this should be a good gift. Et sur ma chaîne YouTube, mon nom c'est Angel, et puis je suis maman. Beaucoup de gens m'appellent Maman Angel. Je suis Maman Angel. Et donc c'est ça. Aujourd'hui on va faire notre backdrop tutorial. Et ça sera là. On va enlever tout ce que vous voyez là-bas pour commencer notre modèle. Yeah. Et je disais ceci. Aujourd'hui j'ai fait le business. Je suis en train de vendre ça. You guys know it. You guys, je suis sûr que vous connaissez ça. C'est pour garder la nourriture chaude. Donc c'est ça, je le vends. Ça vient 4 dedans. Et je le vends ici au Canada. Et je suis disponible juste à envoyer tout simplement au Canada et aux États-Unis. Ça c'est facile pour moi parce que je peux envoyer par la poste. D'autres pays, je suis désolée, je peux pas vous voir. Donc c'est ça. Yeah, as I was saying, it's come for in the set is a 4 pots. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So inside there is a 4 pots. You guys, if you like them, why not? You can buy even 1, even 2, even 3 and share with your friend. Yeah. So this is the hot pot, the one I'm selling. I did have different kind. I have this one. This one came 3 inside in the box, but it's already finished. So yeah, I can still show you. Let's see how. Here. Let me open one and I'll show you how. This is how it looks like inside, and this is the cover. You put your food inside, and then you do what? You serve your visitor, friend, family, everybody. You see how beautiful it is? So those kind, they are finished already. This one, it's already finished because I didn't have I didn't order many of them, but it's beautiful. This is a plastic one, but this is how it looks like inside. Inside is not plastic. Yeah, so it keeps your food warm. So you guys, if you like it, let me know. So maybe next time I'm gonna bring more, and I'll keep some for you, right? And let me show you the other one here. Inside this kind of box is only 3 in the box. So when I was showing you before, this is the one inside, outside. So nice, beautiful, and they have nice style. So even you put on the table, everybody gonna like it, and your visitor gonna say, "Wow, that's so beautiful. Where did you get that?" So yeah, and it has its own hand. So we have to. It comes with the hand, but we have to fix to put them on when you guys buy. So yeah, so business time. I'm gonna show you again. We still have our cartons. So we still have, guys. Still have them. Just want to remind you that we still have this carton here. If you guys you wanna try some of this, yeah. So we do have them here for you guys. Let me yeah, see them there. Can see them there. So those hot pots and those fabric, we still have them. So I just want to say, guys, I would like to say thank to you people who order the cartons. You guys are so nice, and I can say just thank you to you. Yeah, you are supporting my small business. Yeah, so again, thank you a lot. Thank you for your time. I am here again. So now we want to set our backdrop, and today we're gonna use this avalanche hanger because we are doing 3 layers, and let's see how it will look like. Yeah, it will be different. I finally get the color that I wanna do. Sometimes it's hard to get the color because I do have a lot of fabric. Sequins, you guys you wanna I have a silver coming and gold second, so you guys, if you guys wanna order silver or second silver or gold second, let me know in advance, because I didn't order too much, because those second, they are very expensive. So yeah. I will use the middle or the middle part. This is the middle one. To tie it here. I'm gonna I'm gonna use the same thing to do the same thing, the same pin to do the same thing. This is the look of our backdrop today, and yeah, I hope you guys like it and you will be ready to try it by your own. Yeah, so the fabric we use today is the sheer and the satin and sequins. So yeah, this is what we get for today. Alors tout le monde, on vient de finir notre décor d'aujourd'hui. C'est sûr que vous allez essayer vous aussi là-bas à la maison. Donc c'est ça. Le tissu qu'on a utilisé aujourd'hui, c'est satin et sequin, je sais pas si c'est quoi, en argent, Et le rouge là, c'est rouge et blanc, c'est mousseline, je pense, hein? C'est ça qu'on appelle mousseline. Ou si vous savez un autre nom qu'on appelle ça, dites-moi. Bon, je suis pas vraiment, je connais pas tous les noms des tissus, hein. Je suis désolée pour ça. Donc c'est ça. De votre côté, il faut essayer de faire votre pratique à la maison. Si vous avez si vous avez les tissus et les barres, vous pouvez faire le pratique à la maison avant d'aller chez un client. Vous pouvez déjà préparer quel décor que vous voulez faire. Donc c'est comme ça. Ce n'est pas toujours que les jours que vous avez la décoration, c'est les jours que vous allez faire ça. Non, 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 non. Il faut préparer en avance. Déjà à la maison, tu cherches déjà ta modèle que tu veux faire. Si tu as déjà trouvé si tu trouves la modèle, maintenant tu commences à pratiquer. Tu peux le faire même 3-4 fois à la maison, toi seul. Et les jours que tu vas aller faire ta décoration, il faut que ça soit wow. Il faut que tout le monde dise wow. Donc pour que les gens disent cela, il faut que toi-même tu te prépares d'abord. Donc c'est ça, merci beaucoup. Et puis n'oublie pas de s'abonner sur ma chaîne et d'inviter d'autres amis qui font la décoration. Merci, je dis merci à tous. Je vous aime beaucoup et que Dieu vous bénisse tous. On est ensemble. Je disais, just want to say thank you guys. Thank you to all of you guys who watch my video from everywhere. I can't remember all the country names, but you guys, you remember your country. So you remember where you watch my video from. So thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you. And love you. I love you so much and God bless.